Well, winter has finally arrived, and in the Midwest and Iowa, we get those brutal temperatures. The high today is around 12 degrees, and I'm telling you what, you don't like to be in Iowa when it's cold. But my question for you is to leave it in the comments box below, but what is your method to keep your worms warm in the winter? I keep mine inside all year round. It was not like that in the past. Thank God that now I'm able to keep them inside so they will be able to stay alive. But there are plenty of methods that people use, but winter is definitely one of the seasons that can kill your worms. So once again, share your method in the comments box below to help other worm farmers that might be interested in learning how to save their worms too. But here's another method that I tried, so check this video out right here. See you in the next one.